Okay, so here we are again in another video. Um, I marked up the direction this morning, but it's just I just use it to help myself. Okay. What I think I'm going to do again now that I forgot is just only trade 3 pairs that I really see or that I really understand, and I think that could help me. Okay. So, well, this is EU today. Today was not a really good day. My account is 90,900. So, yeah, there's no way. Like, it's been so difficult to recuperate all the account. Um, Trying to improve my trading and my strategy and everything. Having bad luck at some points, like not taking that because well, not bad luck really, it's just timing, not being there or whatever, and then it goes, or it takes me, well, no, that is not bad luck, it's not bad timing, it's just like that, the market, but it makes me doubt sometimes, okay, and I don't know how to make my strategy more profitable, or maybe I look for something that like I overcomplicate things that maybe they are not that complicated. Okay, so well, I'm gonna show you today. We were in an uptrend. Yesterday we had this break of structure to the upside. 2 breaks of structure to the upside to induce buyers, and I expected this to be taken as it wasn't taken for 97. Oh no, sorry, 48, so it's like equal highs, but probably you can count it, I don't know. So yesterday we had this break of structure to the downside. Here we had relevant liquidity all day being respected with even a trend here. The thing here is that we never took this relevant liquidity, so it just mitigated that. I don't know why, but yeah, it just mitigated that. It broke a structure here and then went down and took the previous daily low and the relevant liquidity on M5. Okay, so yeah, I didn't trade anything here today. Pretty difficult for me. I was just looking for this to be taken or this to be taken, so nothing at all. GBP, more or less the same. We were in uptrend, then we started with a breakout structure here. For me, here is like a range, okay? I don't know where the market headed. So we had, well, we can say that this some kind of, let me show you. This is some sort of liquidity on each one that we took with a wick, and then we took it again, as I showed you yesterday. And well, we had this break of start of the upside and another break, so this could have been a mitigation on the higher time frame, having this break of structure to the downside here. And well, we had nothing here too, because the round liquidity was here for me. We had an uptrend here, well, a change of structure here, so maybe I could have looked for a continuation, but there's no relevant liquidity to the left, so yeah, I just didn't wanted to look for something that I don't clearly see, but here it's pretty clear that this is an SMT probably, and here we had, yeah, that's a really nice trade probably. So without relevant liquidity but understanding the price action, yeah, this was relevant liquidity on each one, and then we had mitigation and engulfing candle here. So probably a good trade, okay? Probably a good trade here. but not being able to take it. I wasn't focused here, I think, and yeah, not something I would have traded, I think. As it was confusing, okay, the price action, so I don't want to look for trades that I'm not sure about. USDJ, well, let me show you Nasdaq. I always show you Nasdaq, but there's nothing on Nasdaq. So we took this round liquidity on M5, which it could have been this one, but this one was more clear, and with these equal highs, we took that. So the next round liquidity on M5 is here. And then with a week, it takes that again. Then break obstructor here, move, but nothing to the left, and yeah, nothing at all. We are with the war, with Iran's and Israel's war and everything. So yeah. One day I want to understand Nasdaq, but the time is not now. Okay. So well, GBP, it's close to take the previous weekly low. But here we had ground liquidity at H1. Okay, so I don't know if we will see a reaction. Okay, USD JPY on H1. We're having an uptrend. Yesterday we took some ground liquidity on H1 here. Another break of structure to the upside. It broke a structure to the downside here, probably as an SMT to induce sellers. And yeah, it was pretty crazy, the price action today. I was first looking for a sell here, not confirmed, and then it broke up again, and then it broke down again. Oh, sorry. So the run liquidity was down here, and it took that, and then started going up again. And here we have previous weekly high with round liquidity on H1. Probably is going to be taken at some point. Okay. USD CHF. Okay, so it took the high. We had a break of structure to the upside. I think sellers are still induced. Okay, so my expectation here was to take this high and this round liquidity. So it took this round liquidity. I opened two trades here, but with small risk, like 0.10% per each. So it's a 0.2% in total of my account. The thing is that here I put the break even, I went to the gym, and then it went down. It took the lows and then it made the move. So yeah, here had this break structure on M1. Yeah, it just took the liquidity here. It just took this liquidity here that broke the structure, so it's pretty crazy. This was pretty difficult. I don't think I would have traded that, but it's okay. I entered here with two risk trades. In the end, it worked, and the trade was good, but not as we expected. Okay, and here we had this fake break here. This is just to induce early sellers and then break to the upside. Okay, so here we induce buyers, sellers are out, and then boom, movement to the downside. Okay, and USD CAD, same here. It worked perfectly, like the rally with it worked perfectly. We were in a downtrend, break of structure yesterday. So as I think we could reverse. Well, here we have the previous weekly low liquidity. As you can see, it reacts multiple times here. and here, even here, yeah, and even here, and even here. So it's pretty nice how it works. And as a support resistance, and then we took this rival liquidity on M5, which is the one that broke the structure. It's pretty crazy, but it's this one. It broke this high too. Okay, so this was rival liquidity on M5. So yeah, this is pretty rival liquidity. And I was looking for a buy here, but no break of structure on M5. And yeah, with this move, we had break of structure on M1, rival liquidity on M1 taken, and engulfing candle. So this would have been a really nice trade here, 1 to 4. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, really nice trade here. Okay, so just amazing. I didn't see that. I was here. Well, because of what happened this morning with USDCHF, I had this without confirmation. I entered. I had a stop loss. I think. Yeah, I think I had a stop loss somewhere. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. Here I had a stop loss. I was looking for these highs to be taken, okay, because for me these were all equal highs. We had this kind of rival liquidity here, and the thing is that I waited for my confirmation, but I didn't wait it. Like I waited for the BOS, but I didn't wait for the rival liquidity on H1 to be taken, on M1 to be taken. My mistake here, obviously. And well, and then it took the low and engulfing candle and it went up to take those highs. So this was my stop loss with 0.5 risk, not a really good trade. Okay, so there's no real liquidity on M5 or nothing. It's a really bad trade. And after all these things and having those break evens here, because I put the break even up here, I was like fucked. I had a presentation today in my work, so yeah, I just wasn't really focused here. I think I can trade with these confirmations on M1, okay, BOS and then only with M1. It's pretty risky, I know it, so I can trade with less risk, but yeah, it worked perfectly, okay. So that's it for today. I hope you like it, and well, guess why. Let's see what happens with the war in the XY. Okay, so well, see you tomorrow, and I hope you like it.